Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Marvin and I'm going to show you how you can get software or how you can download a software in your PC using simple steps. So go and open your Google Chrome. Here your Google Chrome page opens. Here you light, get into PC, then enter using the first line here. You click it, it opens another tab. In this tab you have different categories: software category, operating system, 3D CAD, graphic design, multimedia development, antivirus, education, tutorials. But today we are going to download a software category. Now you just come here and light whatever you want. Let's say you want ArchiCAD or AutoCAD. Then after typing the word ArchiCAD, you proceed, you go. We have different types of ArchiCAD. We have ArchiCAD 2021, ArchiCAD 2020, Escape 3D for Revit, SketchUp to Rhino, ArchiCAD. But today we just want ArchiCAD. Let's say ArchiCAD 2021. Here you come, Graphisoft ArchiCAD. This is your ArchiCAD. Features of Graphisoft ArchiCAD. Graphisoft ArchiCAD technique setup details. Graphisoft ArchiCAD free download. Before installing software, you must watch this installation guide video, how to install this software. So before you go to how to install this software, just go to the download full setup. And here it proceeds. It's proceeding now. Your request resource will be granted from Linux server. Here it starts to download. It starts to download here. Get into PC. Here it's downloading here. It will take it's 3.1 GB, 5 hours left. You wait your software to download. After it's done to download, you can click open when done. So when it's done with downloading, it will open itself. It will request you to input a password. You ask you to input password. This is the password that you're going to use. Yeah, you just wait your software to install, use the password to open, then follow the simple steps that we use to install softwares in our PC. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.